Hello. So today we will be talking about an opening in SV Nirtar or Swami Vivekanand National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research. It is a central government company under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. This is located at Olatpur, Cuttack in Orissa state. The post that we are talking about is that of an audit officer. The number of posts available are 1, the category is unreserved, and the maximum age to apply to this post is 35 years. The pay scale for this post is very good. It's from 44,900 rupees to 1,42,400 rupees plus other allowances. The experience required to apply to this job will be if you are a BCom graduate with 10 years experience in government accounting and audit, or if you're a CA inter student with at least 3 years of experience in government accounting and audit, you are eligible to apply to this job. The exam pattern will be objective or multiple choice questions and the total weightage is 80%. The qualification will be given 10% weightage and the experience will also be given a 10% weightage, and that comes up to 100%. To this post, if you fall under the general or OBC category, you have to pay 500 rupees, or if you fall under the SC or ST categories, you have to pay a total of 250 rupees only in the form of DD to either SBI or Indian Bank. The offline application for the same post is also available. The link is available in the description below. Kindly fill the application form with all the required certificates and mark sheets in support of your age, education qualifications, experience, or caste if applicable. Do send in your completed applications to the given address here, and please try to send it as soon as possible. Thank you so much. That's it for the video.